be showing you how to make a firework. Okay, so you will need everything here except for this firework. This is the one that we're going to make. And then that sword. Okay, so what you need to do first is you need to put green dye right here, a creeper right here, and then one piece of gunpowder right there. And then you've got your firework star. Now this firework star you will need. Okay, so now you make a firework. Then you will need gunpowder. Put gunpowder all around it. But you don't have to put it all around. That just makes it go higher. And then there you go. You got your firework. Now I'll show you real quick how it works. Okay, now look up there. It's a creeper face. Okay, hold on. It's supposed... Hold on, let me fly up. Yeah, well it is a creeper face, it's just... And that's how you make it. Please subscribe, and my next video will be showing how to make an ender chest. So, okay, so, see ya.